for the big media conference ng pelikulang I Am Not Big Bird, starring Enrique Gil, Pepe Herrera, Nico Natividad, and Red Olero. Hello, everybody! Hello sa mga fans at mga kasama namin sa press na nandito ngayon sa Dolphy Theater. This movie is produced by Anima, Black Sheep, and Immerse Entertainment. Showing na po in cinemas on Valentine's Day. That's February 14. Rated R16. No cuts. Live po tayo ngayon napapanood sa Facebook page ng Black Sheep, sa X and YouTube account ng Black Sheep. Also live din po tayo sa ABS-CBN Star Cinema, Immerse Media, Anima, Chroma, TFC Asia, TFC Australia, TFC Canada, TFC Europe, TFC Middle East, The Filipino Channel, TFC United States, and ABS-CBN PR Facebook. Ayan, grabe. So kung nasan man kayo ngayon sa mundo, magandang gabi, umaga, tanghali, hapon, madaling araw po sa inyong lahat. Our hashtag for tonight, hashtag The Big Media Conference. So please use that sa lahat po ng inyong mga comments and tweets or mga photos na ipopost from today. Okay, ready na? Tawagin na natin. Are you guys ready? Okay, I'm just waiting for my cue. Kung ready na sila, tatawagin na natin ang cast ng I Am Not Big Bird. Alright, starting off with our writers. Let's call in first, Lilith Reyes and Joma Labayan. All right, thanks, Direct. We'll see you inside the Dolphin Theater. Time to meet the cast. Let's call in first, Red Olero. Red Yan. Peso tayo na maganda. All right, thanks, Red. Let's call in now Nico Natividad. Ano daw? Naksa. Sabadi ka. Okay, tsaka muna, Nico. And of course, he's the producer of Immerse Entertainment and the lead actor of I Am Not Big Bird. Please welcome the King of the Hill, Enrique Gil. Enrique looking so fresh, sporting a new haircut. Ken, isang pose lang here, please, at the center. All right. Ken, just stay there. Okay, mag-hi lang siya sa kanyang mga fans. Ken, can we invite you back here? Ken, can we invite you back there for a group photo? Nico, Direct, and Red, please. Medyo na-excite si Ken eh. I know. Eto na sila, the cast of I Am Not Big Bird, Red, Nico, Enrique, together with Victor Villanueva, our director. Oops! All right, so maybe we request everybody to please proceed inside Dolphy Theater. Pwesto na po tayo so we can start the media conference. One here. 1, 2.